Hey guys, what's up? This is Theo here, and welcome to Lesson 2 here on Free Code Camp, Responsive Web Design Certification Applied Accessibility. And today we will be starting with Applied Accessibility makes screen reader navigation easier with the header landmark. So the next HTML5 element that adds semantic meaning and improves accessibility is the header tag. It's used to wrap introductory information or navigation links for its parent tag and works well around content that's repeated at the top on multiple pages. Header shares the embedded landmark feature you saw with main, allowing assistive technologies to quickly navigate that content. Header is meant for use in the body tag of your HTML document. This is different than the head element, which contains the page title, meta information, script, style sheets, etc. So Camper Cat is writing some great articles about ninja training and wants to add a page for them to his site. Change the top div that currently contains the H1 to a header tag instead. So we'll change this, and basically we will change this to be a header tag. Again, more semantics here. One thing we can sort of make note of if we look at this, right, which is, sorry, it's actually, where is it? It is, it's under here. We can see line height 1.5, font family, internal root color, right? And we can sort of just look at it in general. So cool. All right. And what else do I need to do? Header tag should wrap around the H1. Oh, my bad. Sorry. I need to actually change this to be H1, and let's go ahead and run this. Code should not have any div tags. Oh, I need to get rid of that div. Run this. Good to go. Cool. Number 2. We're going to use the nav landmark, some more semantics. It's going to be your navigation. Code should have one nav tag, right? Your nav tag should wrap around the UL item. So we're just going to swap this out to be nav, right? So we're creating a more semantic HTML page by using these. That's going to tell screen reader, hey, this is a navigation, instead of just, hey, this is division that might not have any inherent meaning. So let's go ahead and run this. Good to go. Number 3. Let's do the same thing, but with a footer. So what we're going to do here, right, is basically we're going to swap this out and write footer, format that, run our test. Good to go. All right. Number 4, improve the accessibility of audio content with the audio element. So this is the HTML5 audio. And here's an example, audio, and inside of it, its children are sources with a source attribute and a type. So here we go. So to hear a clip of a screen reader, add an audio element after the p tag. Okay. Include the controls attribute. Okay. And let's see. Cool. And then let's write this. And what do we want to do? Place a source tag inside the audio with the source attribute set to type attribute. So I think what we can do is actually just change this right here, and that will make a network request, and then we can run this. Okay, that's a bit much, but anyways, let's go ahead and run this. Good to go. And number 5, improve chart accessibility with the figure element. So figures and fig captions are going to be used for images, diagrams, and charts. Again, a lot of these I wouldn't say I personally use a whole lot. This is good to do, and this seems like something you do more, again, if you're, I guess, more focused on this. But it's definitely nice to have. Okay, so help them structure this page by changing the div element to use a figure tag. So what we're going to do here, okay, is we're going to change this to be a figure tag. Figure. Okay. And the p tag to use fig caption. And we're going to say fig caption. Fig caption. And we're going to go ahead and run that. Good to go. And let's just go back to the curriculum real quick and make sure. So we started with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we ended with this one. Let's run that one more time. And good to go. So next time, guys, lesson 3, we will start with improving the form field accessibility with the label element. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. make sure to look in the description box for the courses I recommend if you're interested. Great course to learn React, JavaScript, and I do get a cut, but if you want to support the channel, that would be great. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Take care. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great day.